Once upon a moonlit night in the Alphabet Kingdom, there lived a curious little ant named Andy. Andy was unlike any other ant in the ant hill. He loved the letter A more than anything in the world. His tiny antennas would wiggle with excitement every time he saw that magical letter. One day, as Andy ventured out on his daily exploration, he came across an apple orchard. The sight of the juicy red apples made his heart dance with joy. "A is for apple," he exclaimed, taking a big, delicious bite. The sweetness of the fruit filled his heart with warmth. As Andy continued his journey, he encountered an adventurous astronaut rabbit named Alex. Together they embarked on a thrilling adventure to explore an ancient, mysterious cave. Along the way, they found an amazing array of items that began with the letter A, from ancient artifacts to astonishingly colorful crystals. The friends also met an affable owl named Alice, who taught them the art of flying. With her wise guidance, Andy and Alex soared through the air like aviators, experiencing the awe of the vast sky and the beauty of the stars. "A is for air, and A is for adventure," they cheered, their laughter echoing through the night. In the heart of the enchanted forest, they stumbled upon an adorable family of ants, each with unique abilities. There was Ava, the artistic ant who loved to draw, and Adam, the acrobatic ant who could perform amazing tricks. Together they formed an extraordinary team, showcasing the diverse talents that began with the letter A. As the night unfolded, the friends gathered around a cozy campfire, sharing amusing anecdotes and exchanging laughter. The atmosphere was filled with an ambiance of acceptance and appreciation for each other's differences. They realized that just like the letter A, they were all unique and special in their own way. Under the starry sky, with the moon casting a gentle glow, the friends drifted off to sleep, feeling a sense of harmony and unity as they embraced the magic of the night. The letter A whispered its final lesson. "A is for acceptance, for in our unity we find the true beauty of the Alphabet Kingdom." And so, in the quiet of the night, the inhabitants of the Alphabet Kingdom learned that the letter A wasn't just a symbol, it was a key to unlocking the wonders of friendship, adventure, and the joy of appreciating all the amazing things that make each one of us special. The Alphabet Kingdom drifted into peaceful slumber, filled with dreams of the next day's adventures and the magic of the letter A lingered in the hearts of all.